Downtime killing your productivity? You call the dealer, they said we'll be there next week. Your job's falling behind, your bottom line's falling even further. Jaltest enables you to connect to your heavy equipment fleet, gives you the ability to read faults, force regens, cylinder cutouts, live measurements, and more. Click the link down below. We'll send you more details, or give us a call and we'll give you all the information you need to be successful.
As you can see, starting with the basics, we can perform fault code readings on this engine. We see we have the 571-0 EGR solenoid valve. We have a high voltage or short circuit to the positive. As you can see, we can also click on the additional information and see the freeze frame data. We can see the priority, the last hour in date of occurrence of the fault. We've got vehicle and vessel data as well. Let's say this is a 4.4 Tier 3 engine. We're gonna have important information and technical data on this engine from the manufacturer. This is proprietary information. We don't handle generic information. As we can see, some of the specifications like engine identification plate. We've got a whole series of information important for your mechanics team, generic information. We have what type of engine displacement, maximum speed, duty cycles, and important cylinder stroke and bore information related to the engine design. Engine distribution, we can see the gears, the accessory belts, we can see how they are configured in this engine, the fuel system, the firing order when it's lining for oversupply on the turbocharger, VGT, lubrications, specification, coolant system, adjustment tolerances, tightening torques, and anti-pollution system, important technical information. We have access to the schematics and to the electrical wiring diagrams. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna take a look at the TD 2.9 in 4 and /3.6 in 4, and I'm gonna access to the electrical wiring diagrams as well. We can see the pinouts, important information, power supply voltages. I have a list of all the components that are connected to the main ECU. This is the engine management control unit. I have the starter motor relay, comes with a positive line at 30, and then I have at 85 connected to the 41, right? So these are important electrical diagrams on the ECM, so we can identify all the components that are connected to. We can run live measurements and data monitoring. We can perform an intake and exhaust system display. Let's say this is a 4-cylinder configuration. As you can see, we've got the intake and exhaust system display, and we're going to be able to have all these measurements in real time. If we want to take a look at the DOC and DPF system as well configuration on the after treatment, we're going to be able to identify sensing and system states as well. And we can also do manual selection, right? We have a total of 52 sensors and components into this engine. I can filter out pressure and temperature sensors. I can click on boost, inlet, engine, and exhaust. These are service regeneration state, and I can click on these little gadgets to be able to select and take a look into the measurements I need to perform. I can even perform road tests and save measurements for the diagnostic reports. I can also have some graph measurements to be able to set a time lapse 3 to 5 minutes and see what's the response we're getting from our sensors and components, right?
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240, or www.mechanician.com. Thank you very much.